Welcome to TNT LLC, a leading registered practitioner organization recognized by the CyberAB, specializing in CMMC Readiness and NIST 800 to 171 compliance. We empower DoD contractors, engineering firms, defense manufacturers, and aerospace contractors to navigate the complexities of federal cybersecurity compliance. Our comprehensive CMMC Readiness Assessment supports both Level 1 and Level 2, including crucial gap analysis, SSP development, and pre-audit preparation. We also offer NIST 800 to 171 gap assessments, meticulously identifying weaknesses and documenting requirements to align with CMMC standards. Our expertise extends to SSP writing and review, along with POA&M remediation, building robust system security plans and plans of action and milestones. We implement compliance automation solutions to streamline logs, reporting, and document control, ensuring continuous monitoring and reducing manual effort. As an RPO, we provide ongoing advisory services, guiding you through assessments, evidence collection, and continuous monitoring to maintain compliance. Our government contract support services include SAM registration, SPRS scoring improvement, and CMMC device configuration training. TNT LLC helps protect controlled unclassified information, maintain eligibility for contracts, and significantly improve your SPRS scores. Our structured processes, comprehensive policies, and automation-ready workflows are designed for organizations of all sizes, backed by extensive DoD and federal experience. Partner with TNT LLC to secure your future in government contracting. Visit TandTLLC.com to learn more and explore our resources, including our CMMC Starter Kit and blog. Subscribe and press the bell button for updates on our blog articles, CMMC news, and more.